I am interested in how we can touch the desire through aesthetics knowledge, which is the way in which we can expand the perceptual system of the human body. I am Yina Jiménez Suriel, and I am a curator in residence at Delfina Foundation. My practice is an ongoing research focused on emancipation and how the human being builds imagination. Understanding that emancipation is something that is always escaping of, and imagination as a structure of symbolic and material order that allows to living beings to manage their lives on all scales. This research I entitled as La Historia de las Montañas, which could be translated as the history of the mountains. Many of the projects in which I've been working till now, they are in relation to process. For example, the series of workshops with the Botanical Garden in the Dominican Republic, the National Botanical Garden. And I invite artists to work in relation to the context of the Botanical Garden, and at the same time trying to identify certain symbols, like common symbols. Another project is Comalo, which is a kind of a magazine. It's a collective project developed together with José Rosón, Olivier Bourg, and Nikita Glasnovic. We started this project to understand what we eat and how we prepare what we eat, as a way to understand the many geopolitical things embedded into the food. Since 1 year ago, I've been working on a project that is entitled The Montañas Submarinas El Fuego Hace Islas, which could be translated as From Underwater Mountains, the Fire Makes Islands. The project is articulated through 3 underwater mountains, let's say. One is the exhibition, which has 2 islands. One in Sao Paulo, in Pibó, and the other one is a video exhibition that will happen in Santo Domingo. There is another underwater mountains which has 1 island, which is a publication that tried to compile some of the essays that helped me to understand what I am researching till now. And the last underwater mountains also has 1 island, which consists on conversations around how the human being build imagination. For me, this project is a kind of a table in which I am putting all the things that till now I've been doing. And during my residency at Delfina, I've been working on that, trying to map in the main ideas of these 3 years of research. And also trying to go on a super small scale, which is a chapter maybe of the research, focus on sonorities, trying to put in relation all the things that till now I've been researching on the American continent through sonorities, and putting in relation with the African continent and the Middle East region. Because I am interested in how certain communities of human beings in different times, they've been developing certain strategies to touch the desire, which could be the vital force, if I use the terms as Sueli Rolnik refers to. I am not looking for truth, and I am not looking to prove my thesis. Because of that, I realized that this will be my long life research. If you are talking about emancipation, it means that, it's something that is always escaping off.